White shoe believers, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this one underway. If you haven't already and you're new to the channel, help me get to 100 subscribers or more. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can keep watching sneaker action. As you guys can see, this box is pretty beat up. It's one of those zero movement boxes. So I won't get too into it. You see the move to zero, yada 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 stuff. We can get you some label action. Focus. Whoever decides to focus. That's just not my day today. Hope you guys can make that up. Let's get on with it. This one reached the AJKO white, black, gray fog, and cell. Got this to continue my Jordan 1 KO collection. For some odd reason, they've been pumping out a ton of them. Got a few for sale. Cut a little bit of box length on mine. Nothing major. I really hate box length though. Let's get on with it. Materials are standard. The denim that they use for the Jordan 1 KOs. Move this back a bit. Get the shoe into the picture. There we go. All white canvas, toe box. The gray out on there. White backing on the black Nike swoosh. Here the material's kind of plasticky. You see the little off-white ankle. Jordan Wings logo. Nothing on the back of the shoe, just more canvas with the white, with the black Nike breakup. Same thing on this side of the shoe. Has the recycled material to move to zero bottom. My cat over there doing his thing. Stop messing with that stuff, cat. See the zero. Move to zero bottom, how it has the speckles of all of that recycled material. Get a little tag on the upper. You guys see the top of the shoe. Tongue is like a little pinkish, pink tongue. If you guys can make that out, hopefully you can make that out. Pink tongue, white Nike logo. Like I said, all gray front. Gray fog front of the toe box. More of the white backup on the background, like I said, to the black Nike swoosh. With the upper again. And the AJKO logo. Like I said, this shoe is just a basic Air Jordan 1 KO. Not bad at all. Like I said, I've seen worse. I've seen better. But now we all seen this one because I'll have it on the channel. You guys look what the shoe's going to look like when the shoe is on your foot. I know what you guys think of this shoe. Did you get a pair? Would you like to get a pair? Are you interested in Jordan 1 KOs? I'm probably going to be unboxing some more pretty soon. You can go back and watch my past videos with Jordan KOs though. But everybody let me know what shoes you want to see on the channel next. Let me know what shoes you buy. Everybody stay safe, and above all else, have a nice day.